like a Hellcat.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Kiran and I'm back with my new video as I promised earlier. So today I will be talking about the most famous brand across India, and it has got a variety of products like baby care, skin care, hair care, nutrition, etc. So yes, I am talking about Himalaya, the most famous brand. I will be talking about the one product which I have of Himalaya, and I used it for a particular period of time, and I am still using it actually. So I have a great experience with this product, and I think I should use my experience to guide other people who are actually facing skin issues. So yes, I am talking about Himalaya Neem Face Wash. I hope you can see it. If I talk about the packaging, it has got a very good hard plastic packaging, and it won't break down even if it falls down. So it is very good actually. And if I talk about its quantity, you get very good quantity with a very less price. I have got this for 200 and I have got 300 ml in it. So it is a very great quantity, I guess. But if someone wants to buy the small packaging, it is also available. Why I am talking about this particular product? Because I have many friends which actually says that they have skin problems like acne, pimples, blackheads, black spots. So if I talk about the specific age, that is puberty, we face a lot of changes in our body, in our skin, and I think this is the time which actually comes out on our skin. We usually see a lot of pimples on our skin, and the people who are actually conscious about the skin, they actually get demotivated about it. So I will suggest that you should try this product, Himalaya Neem Face Wash. It is a very good product for the skin care, especially for the people who are actually having pimples, acne and inflammation on their skin. It is very good. And if I talk about the ladies who are late 20s and have kids, I guess actually a certain period of age, females usually got black spots and their skin becomes porous and they actually lose the glow of their skin. That is maybe a reason that the people actually do not understand what the skin needs. I think at this age of their life, they actually should clean their face properly rather than applying expensive creams and purchasing various scrubs on their skin. I'm not saying that scrubbing your skin is bad, but actually you should more focus on your skin for the cleansing. I'm repeating again, you should actually clean your skin carefully, because the most important step of the skincare is actually cleansing. If you don't clean your skin properly, I don't think that actually your skin will feel healthy and glowing. And if I talk about the people who actually say that we are not completely agreeing this product, so I understand, because people's skin is actually differing from one to another, and we have various skin types like combination skin, oily skin, dry skin, normal skin. So people who have actually acne and blackheads and pimple inflammation on the skin, I will suggest to use this product. But if I talk about the normal skin, I will say it is completely optional for them to buy it, because I also have a normal skin, and I think my skin needs more moisturization rather than the neem properties in it, because actually it is antibacterial, good for skin, but actually my skin's more moisturization. Even if I wash my face, I feel a little dry, but it's okay. I do not have that much issue with it. But the people who have dry skin, I will say completely no, because it will leave the skin very dry, because it actually draws all the oil from your skin. So I will not recommend this product to the people who have dry skin. They should go for the another brands, like they actually carry more moisturization it is their choice. They can also switch to another brand. It is no compulsion that you have to buy from this, but there is another brand of Himalaya that I have seen, and I think it is a very good product, and it is Himalaya Himalaya Cucumber Face Wash. It is a very good product, and I think it carries a very good amount of moisturization in that particular solution. So I think if you use it, you won't feel that bad on your skin, that stretchiness, that dryness on your skin. So you can use it. And so that's it for today, guys. I'm very thankful if you watch my video, and if you like it and if you found this content useful, please like it, share it and subscribe. Thank you so much. And if you actually are facing any kind of issues like skincare, hair care, it can be anything, you can just message me anywhere on Instagram or on my